Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to do for soft assertion about Playwright. C sharp, okay. And here I'm going to show you simple examples, okay. Now for here I'm going to create a for new test, and this is 5. And the starting we need to capturing, okay. Now we are able to copy. Soft assertion we already discussed, like immediate it will not closed and all, right. And also we can little bit different way we need to use for this particular one. Okay, there are two ways I'm going to show you how we can able to create a soft assertion one. Okay, meanwhile I'll try to create a one Revit. Okay, and list or string. Okay, one variable to store our errors. Okay, underscore is defined that like it is in a private. Okay, a new list of string. Okay, we are storing now. Okay, this is our error storing purpose. Okay, and meanwhile we can do for one method to store this entire assertions. Okay, entire things need to be a store. Then how we can able to store everything, like private async task assert with the soft. Okay, and what it will take, a function call. Okay, what it will take, the function as a task, and it will become a assertion. Okay, after this I'm going to use for try catch block. Okay, await assertion. Okay, the function and closing here, and the catch block. Okay, and this catch block it will expect for assertion exception ex. Okay, if it is in the catch block, it will we can read that into add that ex dot message. Ex dot message, we are going to read and storing that entire information into this assertion. Okay, uh, we don't know how many assertions will come and sit, right? For that we are doing like this. Okay, now here I'm going to use for one type of like we are used for title verification about that assertion, right? The title verification, and the similar format we are going to verify the title as well. Await await assert async function. Okay, here we are going to verifying the title of this. Okay, title verification we have done, this is the one, right? Okay, same one we are going to use that similar format. Okay, where title equal to await page dot title sync. Okay, once it will get the title and we are here, and then assert dot r equal what we are expecting, comma, a title. Okay, and we are going to use the semicolon to make it. Okay, and my title become like this one. Okay, and I want to use the similar format for URL as well. I'm going to use the URL. It is not required the same one, and we'll make it as a URL, and this URL we are going to store here, and the same URL we are going to expecting as well. Okay, now these are two functions we are going to use it. Okay, then how we can able to use for all into a single assertions. Okay, and we are storing all the error message in case if there is an issue, then we are going to storing, right? Then after storing, how we can able to say this is a pass, this is a fail, right? Now we are going to use for one if condition. If underscore underscore error dot account count is greater than 0, it is 0, then we are going to for each loop where error in underscore error. Okay, here we are going to print console dot write line soft assertion failed plus error. Okay, and in case something like we are using for assert a dot of fail soft assertion failed soft assertion failed. Now this is it will store. Okay, now this is a soft assertion related stuff. Okay, this particular methods it will store how many times you want to use, that many times you can able to use for this particular one, and we can able to store all the errors into in this particular location, and lost we are going to do for this particular one. Okay, now see, all got passed, and if I use the title and different one, okay, it will fail the first place. Okay, but whether it will go for next step or not, it is failed, but after that only, okay, it is executed and one got failed. Okay, like this we can able to mark as a failed one. Okay, and now see this soft assertion is a one format. Okay, even we have for another format of writing for a single one, which is presented in n unit, is alternative functionality. Whether it will work or not, we need to see. Okay, from we can keep it here. Just a second approach. Okay, this is like a assert, a dot, a multiple. Okay, and here we can create a function calling this one and semicolon. Okay, this also work as expected the same. Okay, but it will take as a single. Now I'll copy this into inside it. Result. Okay, it will take as a result, but both the cases are same only, not the different. Okay, if you want handle something different, also you can able to use. This is like a single setup. Okay, one time execution time. Okay, this is like a we are creating a separate function, and after failing we are going to use it, and we are providing. This is also one kind of soft assertion only. Okay, this is basically coming from n unit place, and this is coming from our own creation. Okay, soft assertion for this. Okay, both are same, working as expected without any issue. It will work. Okay, now see all the things are got fast. Okay, like that we can able to do any both the cases. It is perfect. It will work. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.